Seeing someone's listing on Facebook Marketplace is pretty easy. What you need to do is simple. Just open your Facebook browser from your desktop. What you need to go is find from your feed, click to the marketplace. If you don't see it, just click on the left side. Now, on the photo of the product that you want to buy, just simply check the photos. You can simply see on the screen how simple it is to see the listings of someone else in the marketplace. You can see more on the bottom side. But what if you want to see the same thing in your app? What you need to do is go to your app, or just same with App Store. If your iOS device, just open your Facebook app, go to the three dots, and here go to the marketplace. You can see on the screen the information of the seller and all the stuff that you need to see, the product and the stuff, the ratings, everything's on your screen. It's so simple to guess. So you can see the listings, different listings. So this was how you can see this listing on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is such a powerful place to buy or sell your products. It's growing so fast. So make sure you have to check it. So I'll see you in the next one. I've told you how to see this on your app, on your website. Works same almost, just different options, different name. I'll see you in the next one.